From Team Utopia, and what we build is Utopia build. Now what we do is we create a small jury of 5 small coding models which together perform better than a big coding model with 34% cost reductions. Now for this demonstration, we gave a task to create a 3D solar system replica using Three.js, and we can see how our framework worked. First it planned, then it called the coding model upfront, then the coder wrote the file, and then the jury started reviewing. And you can call the CLI tool by writing just Utopia in the terminal. Now we can see the results. We also gave the same prompt to a big coding model. We can see right here, and I have the file saved. Now if we run it, this was the result of the big coding model. As you can see, the planets aren't moving and the transitions aren't occurring. And if we see the results from our coding model, our coding framework, I'm sorry, this was the result of our coding model. Now the cost for the big model, we can see in the logs, it came out to be around $0.0865, and our model came to about $0.0211, and that's a big jump. That's a big jump in price saving and the quality as well. As we can see, the final code had an error here, but the code produced by our framework, the error was caught. As you can see, the error was caught by the alpha reviewer. It gave the translation errors, and it also gave some errors on the sun glow material rotation function, and these errors were fixed, and then they were mended, and then the two other reviewing agents approved, and then we merged the code, and this was the final result. Everything is working. We can see the distance and the planet names, and this was created by DeepSeek V4 Pro, but as you can see, it's non-functional. Now we can do this, the cost reduction thing. This was our architecture. First the planner fires, then the coder, then the jury is adaptive, and the tester, and then we merge the code. Now due to being adaptive, the cost reductions, they happen if the risks from the first one or the first two coding reviewers are very low. If they report very low risk, then we can also knock off the third one, so the cost keep reducing. And this is what we do. In our testing on SwayBench, we used SwayBench Lite. The DeepSeek V4 model costed us $4.52, and the other models costed us pretty insignificant. And we don't the cost and accuracy aren't a trade-off, because using 3 small models to review the code from one model, it adds more variation and sometimes gives better results than using a single big model. Now in our testing with SwayBench, we ran 5 SQL fluff tasks. All the tasks were completed with 100% accuracy, but the results came to about 34% lower costs, which can even be reduced by switching to even smaller and capable coding models. Okay, so that was my submission. Thank you.